Property appraisals and property valuations are not the same. It's important to understand what each means and when it is applicable when dealing in property. Put simply, a property appraisal is an estimate of the price, usually given by a real estate agent. The real estate agent, whether they're the selling agent or a buying agent, usually uses their knowledge of the local area and recent sales of similar type properties in that area to provide a price guide as to what is likely to be obtained for a particular property if it were to be taken to market. Always remember that property appraisals are usually requested by people wanting or thinking of selling. This means there's a likelihood that some selling agents could suggest a higher price in order to assist in winning the business. Essentially, a property appraisal is an opinion, is free, informal, and not legally binding. On the other hand, a property valuation is a formal and systematic process, and it can have a legal standing. An inspection of the property is generally required, the same as for an appraisal, but a formal property valuation differs from an appraisal in that it determines the actual or true value of a property from a completely independent and impartial third party. A formal valuation can generally only be provided by a qualified valuer who has undertaken specific education and training. This provides some security that all factors relevant to the particular property are adequately considered. A written report's produced and a fee is usually charged for this service. You'll need a property valuation when a definitive value is required, such as in a property settlement, a dispute resolution, or a deceased estate, or to obtain finance for a property, refinancing your property. Banks generally do require a bank valuation when lending for property purchases. In some cases, they may decide to complete a simpler desktop analysis, which is computer generated, but generally they'll actually inspect the property and complete a full formal valuation.